Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Attila Pink, and in today's video, we're going to talk about that big altcoins reaching new all-time highs. We're talking about Solana, we're talking about Polkadot, Ethereum, as we going towards the 3 billion cryptocurrency market cap, because this is huge, guys. You have to talk about that. Okay, second thing I would like to talk about is that Eric Adams, who is the mayor of New York City, you know, the new elected mayor, wants actually to create a New York City cryptocurrency. This is also bullish. You know, we're talking about New York. And well, the third thing I would like to talk about is DeFi is increasing. The total value locked in DeFi reaches 250 billion US dollar. Guys, all this in today's video. And if you would like to get the daily fresh cryptocurrency and blockchain news, then simply subscribe to this YouTube channel, Blockchain Bloom. Subscribe, bell button, all. That's the only thing you have to do. And then you're getting the notifications as soon as a new video is out. And I'm putting these videos on YouTube every weekday to keeping you up to date. Check out the links under the video, many useful ones, which you can save money with. You know, if you register, for instance, to a cryptocurrency exchange. You get discount from the trading fees. And also, there's a free course, how to start to invest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies with useful advices and steps. Check it out. Okay, and now let's move on to the market, where we can see that actually Bitcoin is now slightly going down, which is sideways movement, to be honest with you. $62,524 at the moment. Ethereum also doing kind of same, 4,557, not bad at all. Then we're looking at the gainers, and we see that the IOTEX going up 93%, Telecoin 53, AMP 16. Look what the gainers we have here today in the top 100. And when we're looking at the losers, Shiba going down 40%. You know, Shiba is dropping now. Loopring a 10%, it was gaining very well. Look, 200%, more than 200 in the last 7 days. And then we have Icon 5% down. Okay, when we're looking at real quick here, the Bitcoin candlestick chart, we can see that Bitcoin is doing this kind of sideways movements, but holding this level, 62,000. You know, we went up here, couldn't break this kind of important one. Around 64. We broke down, you know, look at this. We had this massive wick down here. I'm not zooming in that much, but look, this happened actually in a minute. So in very fast, you know, someone was dropping it, and then straight away the buying power came in, and actually the price went all up. So things looking good, to be honest with you. So far so good, but Bitcoin now doing sideways movements. Rather now the focus is a little bit on altcoins. Ethereum has also, you know, reached yesterday new highs. Now we going, you know, we're going in this channel up pretty nicely. So this also looks good. We are now in a good mood on the market. Okay, now let's talk about the first news, and this is all about these altcoins, which are actually mooning, reaching new all-time highs, and these are actually the big ones. So what we're experiencing right now, that the alts are doing very well at the moment. So here's this article. Let me share it with you. So as you can see, Ethereum, Solana, Polkadot set all-time highs as crypto market tops 2.9 trillion US dollar. Guys, this is actually amazing. I might said billion before. Sorry if that was a mistake. I wanted to say trillion. Yeah, not the same. So yeah, 2.9 trillion. So very soon we're going to see a 3 trillion market cap for crypto, and this is actually crazy. And this will go even much higher. And look, when we're looking at here Ethereum, when was Ethereum's new all-time high? It happened basically yesterday on the 3rd of November, 4,674. Then we're looking at here Solana. Okay, let's look at Solana. Also, basically today hit the new all-time high with 245 US dollars. Solana is doing very well as well. Then we go back and then we just look Polkadot. Polkadot also now $52 when it was all-time high. It happened yesterday with $54.8. You know, big, you know, cryptos now and doing very well. Terra Luna, it's getting definitely very close or hitting it. Yeah, it's saying that 4th of October was the top with 49. But if you're looking at this here, this was 49.58. That was 49.70. So I'm pretty sure that even in some exchanges, maybe Terra Luna reached also new all-time high. So guys, we're talking about here in the top cryptocurrencies, Avalanche. Look at Avalanche. What is Avalanche doing? New all-time high actually today with $80. It was actually reached today $80.55 according to CoinGecko. So what you can experience now that cryptos, the big ones, are gaining. Bitcoin, it's right now has 41% dominance, which means that others taking over. And even Ethereum, it used to have 19%, but now that so many other altcoins going up, it went down to 18%. So actually now we have some other ones which are fighting for these top places. And look, when you're looking at the top assets by market cap, we can see that Bitcoin is at the moment at place 9 with 1.17 trillion, just before Tesla and in ahead of Facebook. Ethereum is on place 15 at the moment, doing also very well. And look, gold as the number 1, it's 11 trillion. So what we can see now that the whole crypto market is reaching very soon the 3 trillion market cap, pretty much, which is massive. And well, it's becoming a stronger and stronger asset, crypto itself. But of course, the leader one, Bitcoin, it's above 1. And actually, even Bitcoin is going to reach then 2. And whatever it's going to reach, we will see. But coming up very shortly, and we're going to see it here in the top 5 pretty soon, I guess, if the bull market continues like this. Okay, so just to keep you up to date, this is what's happening right now. And now let's move on to the second news, which is all about that the new elected mayor of New York, Eric Adams, wants to create a New York City cryptocurrency. And this also brings attention to crypto. Okay, so next news, it's all about the mayor's announcement. You know, Eric Adams was elected as a new mayor of New York City. And he was talking about cryptocurrencies. And look, he actually wants to create a New York City cryptocurrency. So Eric Adams hopes to create a citywide cryptocurrency, a move that would make the Big Apple the second city in the nation to collect revenue through digital currency and could position it to become a hub for emerging crypto industry. Adams said that Miami mayor, you know, Francis Suarez, has a Miami coin that is doing very well. We are going to look in the direction to carry that out. Look, when you're looking at what happened with Miami, the coin, 7.1 million, that is how much money Miami coin has generated for the South Florida city since its creation in August, which was now. Suarez believes that the coin could generate over 60 million from Miami over the next year and could eventually replace taxes in the funding of social programs. How great is that? So they can use crypto for this kind of thing. And, you know, Miami was one thing, but if this happening in New York, in the Big Apple, that could be actually massive for crypto. Guess what? New York City will have its own cryptocurrency. And this guy was just elected, and this is his goal. So actually, he is for crypto. This is pretty big, pretty big. You know, finance. If you look in the finance area, the money, well, everything is basically you know, centered in New York, and in New York City cryptocurrency would be actually huge, I think. So this is big news. Okay. Next thing I would like to talk about is the total value locked in DeFi has reached 250 billion US dollar. Well, DeFi is just keep growing just like crazy, and now as we can see that the bull market is really starts to go up. DeFi, it's getting hotter as well. So look, the total value locked in DeFi reaches 250 billion. And during the second week of October, the total value locked in decentralized finance protocols crossed 200 billion. And 2 weeks later in November, so basically now, the TVL in DeFi surpassed 250 billion, gaining 25% in value. Meanwhile, Ethereum commands more than 67 of the 253 billion TVL in DeFi today. If you're looking at DeFi Llama, you can see the present, which is now 256, almost 57 billion. So this is how fast DeFi is growing at the moment. So the TVL on Ethereum, it's 171 billion US dollar. This is the 67%. On the second place, we can see Binance Smart Chain with 19.5 billion. So what's the difference actually? Which is 7.7% of the whole, and Solana TVL is increasing almost 6% to 14.12 billion. So Solana is also doing pretty well. When you're looking at the largest DAX in terms of swap volume is Uniswap during the last 30 days with 16.5 billion in global trade volume. So you can see that even you know, all kind of things in DeFi are getting right now hot. And, you know, decentralized finance, it's pretty much the future. This is the one which should replace centralized finance. It's not one day to another, of course. It has, you know, all kind of problems. We are at the early stage, but the way we're going, how much money is flowing in, and how many projects are out there already, mainly on Ethereum, as you can see, it's going to make Ethereum big and other chains as well. And yes, more and more money. You know, if you're just looking at here on DeFi Llama, which is a crazy thing, just go down back 1 year. 1 year it was here. What's that? Like, see. Here we go. We have here. Today is the 4th. So, yeah, here. 13. We talked about 13 billion a year before. Now we're talking about 256 billion. So this is a crazy increase in my opinion. Guys, all this in today's video. If you like this kind of content, smash the like button and also subscribe to this YouTube channel, Blockchain Bloom, if you would like to get the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news every weekday. And yes, tomorrow I'm back. So don't forget, I will bring you the freshest news. See you tomorrow. Have a good one. Bye-bye.